So next we can see the resistor is connected in series and parallel. How to solve when resistors are connected in series and parallel. So what is the series condition? If two resistor or series na எப்படி the resistor இந்த மாதிரி கனெக்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஒரு எண்டில் இருந்து இஃப் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரெசிஸ்டர் இஸ் கனெக்டட் இன் திஸ் ஃபார்ம் மீன்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் த அதர் end the next resistor is connected. Okay, so if the resistor is connected in series, then you want to add two resistors. If it is connected in parallel, okay, so parallel na one by one ஒன்று கீழே ஒன்று கனெக்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி கனெக்ட் ஆகிருந்துன்னா you want to solve using the formula 1 by r equivalent is 1 by r1 by 1 by r2, and you can take the LCM r2 plus r1, or you can simply use this formula or you can use this formula. Okay, but இந்த formula யூஸ் பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா ஃபைனலில் என்ன பண்ணணும், இன்வெர்ஸ் பண்ண மறந்துடக்கூடாது. Okay, so while seeing the problem you will understand. So find the equivalent resistance between the 2 points A and B shown in figure. So they have given the circuit, this one. So here it is the point A and this is the point B. You want to find the equivalent resistance between these 2 points. So first identify what are the resistors which is in series and which are the resistors which is in parallel. Okay, so here these three resistors are parallel and these two resistors are series. Okay, and find which resistors are connected in series and which resistors are connected in parallel. So these two resistors are connected in series and this resistor is connected in parallel. So now you can see how you can solve. So what is the parallel condition? How you can solve the parallel resistor? How? What is the formula for solving the parallel resistor? So for that, here see, listen, the resistor 3, 4, 4 are connected in parallel. Okay, so parallel formula is 1 by R equivalent resistance, that is 1 by R is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, or you can solve using the formula R1 R2 R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 divided by R1 into R2 into R3. Either you can use that formula or you can use this formula. This formula means you want to take the LCM. So the LCM of this here, this form is 12, and after taking the LCM you got 1 by 2 ohm. Okay, so இதில் கனெக்ட் பண்ணி இந்த ரெசிஸ்டரை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிடணும், சால்வ் பண்ணிடணும் இதுதானே. So after solving you got 1 by 2 ohm. Okay, so now find, and here connected resistors are in series 6 and 5 ohm, so it is 11 ohm. And now redraw the circuit. After redrawing you got 2 and 1.2 ohm. So now these two resistors are connected in series. So now 2 plus 1.2 ohm is 3.2 ohm. Okay, so 3.2 ohm, not 32 ohm, 3.2 ohm. And now these two resistors are connected in parallel. So here the point, the one end, இது வந்து இந்த பாயிண்ட் இல்லைன்னா அது எப்படி இருக்கு, series of the move, but here this is one wire and this is another wire. Okay, so now these two resistors are connected in parallel. So after solving we got 4.277 ohm. Okay, so now redraw the circuits after drawing. So now again these two resistors are connected in parallel. After solving you got 1.8304 ohm. So now these two resistors are connected in series and finally got the answer 2.8304 ohm. Okay, so this is the final resistor value. So equivalent resistor, so series irundhuchna you want to add that two resistor. If it is connected in parallel you want to solve using the formula 1 by R1 1 plus 1 by 2 etc. Okay.